Hello, today we are going to be setting up the Java version of Bridges in the IntelliJ IDE. Start by downloading the Bridges jar file from the Bridges documentation website. Minimize the Bridges website for later use and store the jar file where you can access it for the project. Open IntelliJ and create a new project. I'm naming this one Bridges Test for simplicity. Once your project has been created, click File, Structure, and then Libraries. Click the plus mark at the top left of the page, click Java, and then navigate to the directory where you stored your Bridges jar file. Select it, press OK, apply the changes, and press OK again. Now you should be back to your project page. Now that Bridges is linked, we're going to go back to the Bridges website, borrow tutorial code, and test it. On the Bridges website, select User Guide/Tutorials under Documentation. Select Arrays from the navigation bar and scroll down to copy the imports. Paste them above your main class and then go back to the website. Now select everything from Create Bridges Object to Bridges.Visualize. Paste this into your main method and then type an integer for your assignment number, then your username, and your API key for your Bridges object arguments. Your username and API key can be found on the Bridges website under Profile once you've logged in. Now add an exception to the top of the method. Save your project and run it, then a link should appear in the console. In IntelliJ, you can simply click the link to view your visualization. And that's it. Now you're ready to build more Bridges visualizations in IntelliJ. Check out the website for more tutorials.